Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to get free songs off of iTunes. It works for anything in the iTunes store, apps, movies, anything. Alright, first you need to make a Yahoo account. I recommend you not use your real information. Your real name, don't use any of that. As you can see, obviously I'm not John Doe. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so I went and signed up for this. Now I can just hit continue to go here. You're going to need to go find your mail and go here. Alright. Alright. So you should be in your inbox right now because you're going to need to confirm an email from Apple or iTunes. Alright, so then you need to go to sign in up here at the top right hand corner. If you already are signed in, it will say your email, and you should just click on that and you should hit sign out, and then it might load for a couple seconds, and then it will go to this, and you just click sign in, and then you go to create new account. Alright, hit continue. Check that box, hit continue again. Alright, what you need to do is the email you just signed up for, it should tell you it somewhere on here if you look, but what I did was I just copy and pasted my email. So I'm just gonna paste it in this email box right here. Alright, so it's that. Then whatever password you want to have, it doesn't really matter. So I'm just gonna enter a password right now. Alright, and then question and answer. This doesn't have to be anything. It's just if you lose your account or need to recover your password. Obviously, it just says it right there. I just type in random letters because it doesn't really need to be anything. Alright, then your date of birth. I always usually just put myself over the age of 18. So just something over 18. I'm not sure if they won't allow you to make an account, but just to be safe, I always usually do that as being over 18. Alright, now here we go. Right here where it says payment method, credit card, you're gonna click American Express. Right there. Alright, now you're gonna need, I'm gonna give you a card right now to use, but it should be good for forever. But if you want to use one that you already have like laying around, all you need is to buy a gift card. It can be from Walmart. This is the one I have right here, and I'm just gonna read off the number right here. There's nothing on it, so you can go and try buying stuff. It's not gonna work anyways because there's nothing on the card. And here's the number right here is American Express, and then card number is this. And I'll have this in the description when you look on YouTube. Right now, I'll just copy that and paste it into the credit card number box right here. And then the security code is this code right here. Alright. And then when it expires, it's that date right here, 06/19. Alright, so I'm going to put 619 right there. Alright, now you need to go down. Again, do not use your real information. You can make an account under any name. I'm just going to use John Doe again, since I made my email under that. Any address, I recommend you not using your real address. Any city that you live in, that doesn't matter. I'm just gonna put mine, and then your zip code should be fine, and then phone number, probably should use your area code because I think they check that to make sure that it matches the city and stuff. Make sure that this is all valid, alright? Else they're gonna, when you click to say continue, it's gonna bring it up and it's probably gonna say zip code and city do not match, or state and city do not match, or something like that. Alright, phone number can just be any random numbers, as you can see. And you're just gonna hit continue. Alright, it says an email has sent to the address linked below to verify your Apple ID. Alright, so now it sent it to the email that we just made. Go back to your email and click on inbox again if you're using Yahoo. And it should load up like this. Alright, then it should say blah blah blah, your email, and then verify now. Now you want to click verify now. Should pop a little window, my Apple ID. Alright, and what you want to do is your Apple ID will be your email address. So I know it's kind of dumb why they do that, but your email address is right here, which will be your Apple ID. So I'm just gonna do that right now. Alright, and then enter your password that you made for iTunes. Don't use the one that you made for the Yahoo account. If you use the same one, then that should be fine. Just use the one that you made for your Apple. Alright. Then click verify address. And it should say like something, remember blah 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 up there. It doesn't really matter. It's probably just because I'm using Firefox. Now, I wouldn't click return this to the store just because I think it's faster just going to iTunes and clicking done. But that's just my opinion right there. So I'm just gonna have to wait a couple of seconds. I know my computer's slow, but what are you gonna do? Alright, now you're going to go sign in, and then right here where it says Apple ID and password, you're going to enter what you entered right here to verify it. It's the same exact thing. So you're just going to, my bad. Alright. So that's your email address. If you remember, you're probably gonna have a simpler email address, but I just made this real quick, so I don't really memorize it already. So I just copied and pasted it. Password. Use your password that you made, and then click sign in. Alright, so top right hand corner you should see the email address that you signed up for.